Okay, it's a time to go home in this winter day. Look at that. I have to somehow clean my car. Okay, we got snow. It's windy. Airplane still here in the sky. Life doesn't stop, but it will be very slippery. Look at this ice under the snow. I don't know. I hope I will get home somehow. Driving is scary. Look, this is my poor car, covered by snow. I have to take care of the snow first. Look at that. Still some people here shopping. Oh my God, look at that. Look at my car. Hopefully I will be able to get in and get home. Let's see how long it will take to get home.